somebody screwed it in there.
What's up, everybody? I figured out the mystery of how to tune the pz19. After going through different jets, I realized the stock jet was actually perfect. The stock jet is number 89 supposedly, according to what I read online. I settled on the 88 being too lean and the 90 was too rich, but you can just tune the air-fuel mix to make up for it. But as soon as I figured this out, my chain snapped. It was already stretched and kind of loose, so I was compensating with a tensioner, which is a bad idea. A tensioner should be more of a guide. It shouldn't be doing much work. So the chain snapped when I was going about 30 and bent the frame at the dropouts, which is crazy because my wheel spokes have survived so much shit, but it bent the frame instead. So anyway, I ran it lean when I was tuning it. Before all of this even started, it had soft seized a couple of times on a really hot day with the old HP carb. That's why I was running the HP carb rich. I will say this carb is a lot better, and if I had maybe asked some questions on gas bike fanatics or something, it could have saved me some jetting. I asked some homies in the community in a live chat and got nowhere, so I was just kind of going in blind. Anyway, you can learn from my mistakes. Just stick with the stock jetting, mess with the air fuel and needle before you start jetting if you have a pz19. Regarding the giant wood screw in my tire, I patched that with rubber cement on the inside and outside, and I put duct tape on the inside of the hole. So now I've got to patch up my chain. I think I have enough extra chain to repair it. And the bike is basically tuned with the 90 jet. Next month or two, hopefully, I should come up on some money, and I want to get a new Avenger top end. I think my top end is on its way out, but also some of the weird sounds I was hearing could have just been the chain. I think I'm gonna look for a new frame on Marketplace, or maybe just buy a brand new one if I am able to come up with the money soon. I'm still having problems with my crank, the pedal crank. I just need to torque it down with an impact, I guess. But this frame is just kind of been through too much already. It's a cheap Walmart Huffy frame. So anyway, back to the daily grind of constantly repairing the bike. Remember, every 7 years, every cell in your body is replaced with brand new cells. It is the same with two-strokes.